Clamp meter storage bag manual meter pen. Resistance MEASUREMENTPLACE the stylus on both sides to measure. DC voltage measurement. When the buzzer is detected, a drip drip beep is emitted. Diode MEASUREMENTPLACE the stylus on both sides to measure. CAPACITANCEPLACE the stylus on the capacitance for measurement. ACCURRENTTHE current at work can be measured by placing the watch pen in the corresponding position. NCV detection, when close to the insertion, will emit a drip, drip sound. Zero fire detection, insert the red pen into the hole. ACVOLTAGEWHEN measuring, insert the measuring pen into the hole to measure.